So this is my video to demonstrate my code. So this is my emotion detector app. Now if I make a smiley face right now, it will make a smiley. It would display an overlay emoji onto my face. It would make a shocking face like, it will overlay an emoji associated with the shocking face. So the way this program works and why it works is that the idea is I need to detect an emotion based on the emotion I make in my front face, and based on that emotion I want to overlay an emoji. To do this, to accomplish this thing, we need to use main two libraries. I use the OpenCV library, which is a great library to detect front faces, and using the NFER object, which provides a model. I think it's called multi-cascade model, and that basically detects emotions. So basically, the way this works is that we're going to read each of the emojis, and all these emojis have an alpha channel, which represents transparency or opaque. Then I'm going to use the front-facing model, which is provided by OpenCV, to detect my front face. And then in this loop right here, we're going to do that. So we have a webcam, which is my default webcam on my computer, and we're going to read each frame in that webcam, and we need to grayscale that frame. And the reason is because the only way this model works is if we're able to grayscale it. So once we do that, we get the front coordinates. So the model is going to return us to the front coordinates that basically represents our face, right? It's going to be like a rectangular box. And basically the region of interest, this is called, basically returns just the frame where our front face is located. Then with using the emotion tracker model that we stored in emotion tracker, we can get the emotion that we're displaying in that front face. And this works because the model gives us a dictionary of emotions that it's able to think that you're displaying. We simply want to have the top emotion which represents the best and most accurate. And if that emotion is in one of our if it's one of those key values, then we're going to read one of those emojis, and using the blending process, we're going to overlay that emoji into our face, and that's how this code works.